Summary report, pivot table. In the platform of Apache OpenOffice Calc. What is pivot table? Consider an example. Item quantity refers to the year and item number. This presentation is like one-dimensional, but may present like two-dimensional. Pivot table. The pivot table can be created by data, pivot table, and then create. This screen shows the layout of pivot table. In the column fields, it is the year. In the row fields, it is the item number. Sum of quantity corresponds to the year and item number. A pivot table is created with year as column and item number as row. A total result is included for each item number and each year. You can request the Digitalization Strategic Roadmap by the link in the description.